So I haven't actually bought any alternative or goth clothing for most of this year, and I'm really excited about this stuff because it's my favourite YouTuber, which if you haven't seen my top 10 YouTubers, go and check that video out. She's number 1, and she brought out her own merch store, so this is Orphea's merch. And yep, I am a little fanboy. I got the t-shirt with her face on it, because why not? So just plain on the back. It's about £14. I'll put in a picture of the t-shirt from, I got them from Redbubble because I found Teespring was too complicated to find the right sizes in the size chart. So we'll show you what this looks like when it comes on. That is it, it's on. It's a pretty good fit. The shoulders are kind of right where they're supposed to be. It's hard for people my size. So this is the double XL, so it's pretty much as big as it will go. And just for reference, I'm 6'3" and 17.5 stone, so I'm a big guy. See the door next to me, I'm not wearing any shoes. Standard size door. So I'm a big dude, finding stuff that fits. Especially like it's a good length at the front. It seems to be the right length for a t-shirt for me. It's very good fit, I think. It looks alright. Now, let's see the hoodie with actually my favourite picture on it. This is the lightweight hoodie with the kangaroo pocket on the front. It's plain on the back. It is very good. Feels nice for the price. It's about 30 quid. Print's alright. It's pretty good. It feels like it should last if you don't mess it up, like throw it in the tumble dryer or anything that tells you not to do anyway. But if you look after it, it should last. See what this looks like. Here it is. It's a bit tighter than I would like a hoodie to be, but it actually fits alright. Doesn't look that bad. If I turn sideways, you see how fat I am. But yeah, I think it's good print. Decent enough. You can be Kenny from South Park. So good. Seems to be a good hoodie. I'm happy with it. I'm very happy. I'll probably be ordering more. She said she's going to release some more designs sometime soon, so hopefully with more designs. And yeah, give it a look. I'll link it all below. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.